Look at that. Oh. Oh my God, that's so good. You get that really nice kind of almond croissant note that carries through this drink. But that could almost be gone. Oh. Guys and girls, welcome back to another edition of The Cocktail Guy, and in today's video I want to share with you guys a recipe for an awesome gin-based sour cocktail, the Army and Navy. Now this cocktail is absolutely delicious, traditionally comprising of gin, lemon and orgeat or almond syrup. But in today's video I want to share with you guys a super simple 5-minute home hack for your own orgeat. All you're going to need is some almond milk, some caster sugar, some almond extract and some orange blossom. Now, in order to make this syrup, all you're going to do is you're going to weigh and add 150 grams of caster sugar to 150 grams of almond milk. Stir to dissolve all of the sugar and then add to that 5 milliliters of almond extract and 2.5 milliliters of orange blossom. Once it's all mixed, bottle it, and for best results, keep it in the fridge and it will last for up to 3 weeks. Now this ingredient totally transforms this Army and Navy cocktail. I love the kind of marzipan, patisserie flavors that this home hack brings to this cocktail, but it is delicious also in a classic tropical Mai Tai, best suited for when the warmer weather rolls in. And I'm looking outside as I say that because the weather today is absolutely crap. But when the warmer weather eventually rolls in, it will make a great addition to your home cocktail arsenal. Anyway guys, that's the cocktail ingredient. It is super simple, but now let's crack on with the drink. Okay guys, so now for the Army and Navy. The first ingredient we're going to be adding is our fresh citrus. So we're going to go with lime first. And we need 50 mils or half an ounce. First thing I'm going to do though is use a little bit of lime for a garnish. I'm going to go with a wheel. There we go. Keep that for one side. And then we're going to go in with first ingredient, 15 milliliters of lime juice. There we go. And then 15 milliliters or half an ounce of lemon juice. Now I've already pre-squeezed some lemon here. Okay. 3/4 of an ounce of our homemade orgeat. And our last ingredient is our gin. Today I'm going to be using Bombay Sapphire, as I said. And that's 2 ounces or 60 mils. Give it a mix just to ensure the ingredients are incorporated. Just give it a cheeky taste. Yep, it's going to work. And now we're going to shake this, so we're going to add ice. There we go, and give it a quick, short, sharp shake. Okay, get a trusty glass, and then we're just going to double strain. Okay, and then all we're going to do is garnish with our wheel. And there we have the classic Army and Navy. And it looks absolutely delicious. Can't wait to try that. There we go. Okay guys, there we have it. Your own 5-minute home-hack orgeat syrup and the classic Army and Navy cocktail. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Drop any comments below the video should you have any questions. But as always guys, if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to this channel. Right, I'm gonna give this a go. Oh. I love that kind of almond croissant notes that come through this cocktail. That orgeat is absolutely delicious. I can so see this working in a Mai Tai as well. I'm gonna take this one to go. There we have it guys, the Army and Navy cocktail. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then guys, cheers.